Want accurate measurements for all your electrical projects? In this video, we're revealing the top 10 best digital and smart multimeters on Amazon, perfect for DIYers, electricians, and tech enthusiasts. From precise readings to advanced features and durable builds, these multimeters help you test voltage, current, resistance, and more with confidence. Stick around to find the best one for your toolkit. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more smart tech picks every week. At number 1 we have KAIWEETS HT118E Digital Multimeter. Higher resolution and advanced design, 20,000 counts, HT118E multimeter with more resolution bits allows for more accurate measurement results. The flashlight on the back ensures easy use in dimly lit places. Min/max to record signal fluctuations. Stable kickstand, pin slot on the back, low battery prompt, data retention, auto power off. Accurately measures AC/DC voltage, AC/DC current, resistance. HT118E voltage tester also measures temperature, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, diodes, continuity, and NCV. Live with sound and light alarm. Switch the dial to the function you need, and the LED lights on the jacks will shine accordingly, helping you place the probes into the correct position and plug in the leads easily. Auto-ranging saves you the hassle of having to know which range of value. The LCD backlight display offers easy-to-read digits. IEC rated Cat 3 1000 volts, Cat 4 600 volts, CE, RoHS, FCC certified. Anti-burn with double ceramic fuse and thermistor protection circuit. High voltage protection is active on all ranges. At number 2 we have Proster Smart Multimeter. Built-in rechargeable battery, support USB-C charging, reduce the trouble of battery replacement, measure AC/DC current, AC/DC voltage, NCV/live, resistance, capacitance, temperature, frequency, continuity, duty cycle, and diode. The 5.0-inch color screen with backlight and built-in flashlight lets you read data clearly in dark garages, under car hoods, or during home electrical repairs. Support true RMS measurement in auto/manual modes to select automatic current jack recognition function. In auto mode, the test pin is inserted into the current jack and the current test mode is automatically selected. Certified for Cat 3 600 volts with dual fuse protection and shock-resistant ABS casing. Offering dual insulation protection, safely troubleshoot car circuits and home appliances. Suitable for electrical wiring installations, electronic repairs, electromechanical integration, automotive circuitry, and home appliance repairs. It is a must-have for mechanics, electricians, and DIY enthusiasts. At number 3 we have Delixi Professional Clamp Multimeter. This professional clamp meter delivers true RMS precision across 1000 AC/DC current and 1000 volts AC/DC voltage. Master 60 megohms resistance, temperature, capacitance, frequency, continuity, and diode tests, your ultimate tool for fuse panel checks, automotive circuits, and household repairs. Inrush function, captures 1000 A inrush currents, AC mode only, to pinpoint failing compressors or starters. Combats false readings with VFD drive filtering and loss anti-ghost technology, a key tool for noisy workshops or HVAC systems. Designed for harsh working environments, featuring a drop-resistant casing and 1.65 inches oversized jaw, suitable for a variety of cables. This clamp-shaped multimeter is equipped with bright LED backlight, flashlight, and automatic shutdown function, effectively extending battery life. Smarter than standard multimeters, freeze fluctuating values via max per minute hold. At number 4 we have Handheld Oscilloscope Multimeter. 3-in-1 multifunctional measuring instrument integrates an 80 MHz analog bandwidth oscilloscope, a 6000 code digital multimeter, and a built-in signal source for versatile testing needs. The 2-channel digital oscilloscope can measure and display 2 different signals simultaneously for easy comparison and analysis. High-speed 200 MSBS sampling enables accurate quantitative analysis of signals within the 80 MHz analog bandwidth. Built-in waveform generator outputs sine waves from 1 Hz to 5 MHz, triangle waves from 10 Hz to 1 MHz, and square waves from 10 Hz to 1 MHz. Ideal for debugging electronic equipment, detecting system parameters, and verifying signal performance. Large storage capacity allows you to save current data or waveforms at the press of a button. Capable of storing up to 2000 sets of data in 200 waveforms for later review. Built-in 2000 mAh lithium battery supports long working sessions. GotchaFix 2-channel handheld oscilloscope delivers up to 10 hours of continuous use on a full charge. At number 5 we have Fluke 117 digital multimeter. Volt, Alert technology enables safe non-contact voltage detection for quick and reliable testing. AutoVolt automatically selects AC or DC voltage, with DC millivolts measurement range up to 600.0 millivolts and 0.1 millivolts resolution for precision work. Low input impedance helps prevent false readings caused by ghost voltage. Large white LED backlight allows clear visibility when working in poorly lit areas. True RMS measurement ensures accurate results on nonlinear loads. Designed for dependable performance in demanding environments. Operates reliably within a temperature range of -10 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius. Long-lasting battery provides up to 400 hours of typical use without backlight. A dependable and accurate measuring tool ideal for professional and everyday electrical applications. At number 6 we have ANENG Smart Multimeter. The 6,000 counts true RMS multimeter tester with 5.0-inch large LCD color screen display greatly enhanced the reading experience, very easy to read, even in bright sunlight or poor light. The multimeter defaults to smart mode. It can identify the measurement content and selects the range with the best resolution. You don't need to do anything extra. Suitable for beginners and advanced professionals. The digital multimeter can display analog bar, real-time temperature, low battery prompt, and damaged fuse prompt. Accurately measures AC/DC current, AC/DC voltage, resistance, frequency, duty cycle, capacitance, continuity, diode, temperature, live/0 wire. Would make a great gift for any DIYer, and the smart mode makes it simple for older folks. The professional multimeter will come with a rechargeable Li-ion battery and Type-C charging cable, whether the job is a quick DIY continuity check or a complex problem. With well-designed and consistent readings pair well for both long days in the field or tinkering in the garage. You will never worry about power problem. If there is no test instruction. At number 7 we have KAIWEETS KM200P digital multimeter. Say goodbye to clunky, stuck/worn knobs. Every function, DC/AC voltage, capacitance, diode, resistance, NCV, continuity, live detection, etc., is selected via responsive dedicated buttons. Switch modes in seconds, perfect for pro electricians and beginners who want precision and durability. High resolution 4,000 counts LCD shows clear readings. TRMS technology ensures accurate measurements even for non-sinusoidal signals, ideal for troubleshooting electronics and home circuits. Covers DC/AC voltage, resistance, capacitance, diode testing, continuity, and live detection. Meets all needs for DIY projects, appliance repairs, and professional work. 15-minute auto shutdown saves battery, 2x AAA included, hold function locks readings for easy recording, white backlight, red for alerts, works in dark spaces, built-in flashlight plus C/F switch add versatility. At number 8 we have AstroAI Multimeter Tester 10,000 counts. Easy to use, the smart mode of the multimeter can automatically identify voltage, resistance, and continuity. Smart tips for test leads, real-time temperature display, data hold, max per minute values, auto shutdown, low battery prompt, audio-visual alarm, fuse break reminders and other functions make measurement and recording more convenient. Fit both beginners and professionals. The smart function takes some time to judge the signal source, so there will be a little delay. Multiple functions, AstroAI Smart Multimeter can accurately measure AC/DC voltage, AC/DC current, 10A current, and can also be used to test continuity, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, resistance, diode, temperature, NCV and live wire. With this smart digital voltmeter, you can solve industrial, vehicle and household electrical problems. Unique design, the voltmeter has a large LCD color screen. With a backlit screen display and flashlight, you can use it in dim environment. In addition, the multimeter can display real-time temperature on the screen. At number 9 we have KAIWEETS Smart Multimeter. Auto and manual mode, the KM602 digital multimeter features a smart mode that automatically measures voltage, resistance, and continuity. It identifies what you're testing and selects the optimal range for precise and quick measurements. In manual mode, it accurately measures AC/DC voltage, resistance, continuity, current, capacitance, frequency, diodes, duty cycle, temperature, NCV, and live wires. Rechargeable and convenience. With a built-in rechargeable 1200 mAh battery, this smart multimeter allows for extended use without frequent battery changes. It comes with min/max/average recording for signal fluctuations, an analog bar display, real-time temperature display, low battery alerts, data hold for added convenience. Full screen and easy reading, the 6,000 counts TRMS multimeter tester boasts a large full screen display and a built-in flashlight. The expansive color screen ensures clear visibility of measurements, even in low light conditions, while the flashlight helps you work in dark or hard-to-reach areas, making it a versatile tool for any environment. At number 10 we have FNIRSI DMT99 Digital Multimeter. FNIRSI Multimeter can plot measured value ripple that changes over time is drawn, and the fluctuation of voltage or current over time can be observed. 8 measured values can be recorded, and the max and min measurement values are displayed. Custom thresholds can be set in multimeter monitoring mode, and a warning will be issued if the voltage exceeds or falls below the set threshold. Built-in 1500 mAh rechargeable battery allows the multimeter tester to work longer. No more manually replacing bulky, unfindable disposable batteries. The Type-C port renews energy at any time. In intelligent mode, DMT99 digital multimeter can identify the measurement content and select the range with the best resolution, making the measurement more convenient and faster, takes out the guesswork for most applications. Applicable to automotive, home appliances, other electronic repair. Dual ceramic fuse protection.